I'm overlocking the sides. Double checking my measurements, the waist and the hips. It's really a good habit to double check your measurements like every now and then. I'm stitching the inside seams now with a flat fell seam. This is how I do my flat fell seam, and along the way I keep on checking my measurements. And also making sure that the notches match. I'm making it a habit to iron press whatever needs to be pressed like this. This is a preparation for my flat fell seam, which I found that really helps with a neat looking flat fell seam. And it helps also to like flatten that joint at the crotch because it's really thick. I started on my top stitching. First row. And again, when I come to the crotch with this thick, many multiple layers of fabric at the crotch, I slow down because chances are I'm going to break my needle or bend them. Because even though I'm using an industrial sewing machine, yeah, they're good, but you know, they have limitations too. For the second row of top stitching, I'm going to use a black thread because I am copying my old jeans that I had in the past. In the factories, they have this machine called feet of the arm sewing machine that looks like an extended arm, and it has a folder and it folds the fabric right here and there. And also this feet of the arm sewing machine has like two needles or three needles depending on the model, and they're really heavy duty. Here I'm checking the measurements again. Here I'm sewing the side seam. They're also called outside seam or out seam. And lucky for me, because my overlocker makes that some kind of like a neat row of thread that I could use as guide for my seam. And I'm making sure that the notches are matched. I'm doing the top stitching here at the side. I don't know what it's called, I just call it top stitching on the side. And it kind of reinforces the side, makes it more sturdy. Pressing the side seam and getting it ready for the next step, which is the waistband.